Hello mga kabarangay, today I'm gonna teach you how to do inbox zero or email or inbox sweeping, no? Part of an EA task or sometimes general admin. This is something I've learned from my EA friends, no? So let's do this, let's go straight to the point. Itong email na ito ay hindi ko na ginagamit. So let's start doing this now. First is gawa tayo ng labels kasi gusto ko pretty much pag sinabing inbox zero, lahat nandito ay wala, zero, walang laman. Okay, so what I'll do, guys, is to go through the emails, tapos gagawa natin sila ng filter to labels. Okay, so let us create a label na, let's say, it's a nest label. No, ang gawin natin dito is let's go by category first. So let's say beacons. Okay, kasi yung nakita ko beacons. Gawin natin or let's name this tag social media. Sorry. Social media. Or let's call this tag subscriptions. Okay. Save. And then let's add another tag. Titinan ko lang dito, no? Plus, okay, beacons. So, beacons, you nest under a subscription tab, okay, or label because beacons is a subscription. So, in-organize ko lang. Yung nakikita mo lang dito sa harapan mo, no? Let's create a new one. Let's put here social media. Okay? Okay. So, lalabas siya here. And then, nakita mo YouTube. Let's create another label na YouTube. Okay. And then, nest label under social media. Okay. Let's say, Linktree. Nakita ko ba dyan? Okay. Linktree. And then, put, or one word na lang ata yan, me. And then, you do the same process hanggang sa matapos mo na yung categorization, but I'll put it under the nest na subscription kasi subscription siya. Pack. So, gagantuin ko na lang siya. Pack. Diba? Ganon. Diba? Ganyan na lang siya. Okay, so at least ako-organized per category. So, from there, yun mo na gawin yung labels and then I'll get back to you. I-pause yun muna ito, mga mi. Okay, now let's go to the next part. Paano ko, like, the goal is the next time, this type of message or email, no, this type of person emails you, hindi na siya lalabas dito sa inbox, pero dediretso na siya sa tabs mo. Yun ang gusto natin mangyari, no? Naka-filter na agad siya dito sa labels mo. So like for example, si Beacons, pindutin natin yan. Pindutin ko yung 3 dots, no? Filter messages like this. Create filter. Ayan, so pipindutin ko dito is skip the inbox and archive it, okay? And then mark as read because I don't need to like, read the email anymore. At least read na agad, di siya magkakaroon ng number. And then I would apply it to the label beacons. The beacons. And then there, apply, ito important tong nasa dulo. Also apply filter to matching conversations para lahat ng Jessie from Beacons ay mapunta automatic dito. So, create filter. Pack, maya-maya guys, lalabas na yan lahat dito sa Beacons na tab. Okay? So, it will just take time. Diba? It will just take time. Beacons, pack. O, diba? Nalipat na iba dito. Automatic. So, let's do another sample. YouTube creators. Okay? Click natin sa YouTube creators. Click natin yung 3 dots. Filter. Create filter. Okay, skip the inbox. I don't wanna mark it as read kasi gusto ko basahin yung mga emails sa akin ng YouTube. So, ikaw mag-decide. Sa tingin mo ang mga ganitong emails kailangan basahin ni client. Maybe yes, maybe not. And then, after that, apply all label to social media, YouTube. Ayan. And then, also apply filter to matching conversations para lahat ng mga galing YouTube creators ay mapunta automatically kay YouTube at hindi na dito sa inbox mo kasi skinip na natin at na-archive na natin. And then create filter. And then maya-maya, lalabas na siya dito sa YouTube. Naglo-load lang siya, mga mima. Pak, andyan na siya. Tignan mo, nababawasan ang inbox mo. Okay? So do the same thing, same process, and get back to this video after. I-pause mo na to, mga mi. So next, mga mi, if there are messages na you think hindi naman need na ilagay or basahin, like for example, yung mga shared requests na share mo na, you can just archive it. Okay? Pindutin mo lang to, archive mo lang yan, pak. Okay? I-archive mo lang yan, like ito, pak. At automatic mapupunta yan sa all mail. Hindi naman siya mawawala, pero mapupunta siya sa all mail. So, mababalikan mo pa rin siya. So, i-archive mo lang ang mga kailangan mo i-archive. No? Like this one. Archive. Archive. Diba? Yan. I-archive lang natin ang mga yan. And then, repeat the same process hanggang sa maubos na ang laman dito. Okay, one way to sweep it also is to have multiple is to arrange it to when it comes to urgency, okay? Na yung mga emails na gusto mong basahin ni clients right away, no? What I'll do muna is to create a new label and let's put here urgent or client emails, important emails. So this is for the client. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'll add another label. Okay, and I'll name it urgent emails. These are emails na dapat makita agad ng, ng clients natin. Nested under important emails. Pack. Okay. Next is, let's do like gentle reminder. So these are like emails na not super urgent but needs to be read, no? Under important emails, no? And then let's do another label called to review. Okay, pwede itong mga bills. Yan, pwede natin ilagay ito under the bills ni payments. So let's put this under important emails para na nest. What I'll do from here, okay, is I will choose an email, like for example, ayan, ito, yung mga receipts, for example, ng binayaran, no? What you do is to place it under a label, which is, for example, important emails na to gentle reminder para lang to review, para lang nakikita ko yung mga binabayaran ko. Ayan, no? To review ang mga gantong emails. Let's say, you will base it from emails kasi. You'll base it from the emails. For example, hanap pa tayo. Madami pa tayo. For example, ito, pag si YouTube creators ay nag-email ng mga updates, no? If they want to like, you want to be updated with their mga add value content, no? So, you can filter it under the label dito pala. Gentle reminder para lang mabasa niya, no? Mabasa ni client. Ayan. So, nasa gentle reminder na yan, me. 'Di ba? Ayan. Urgent emails, wala pa. Ayan. Urgent emails, hanap tayo ng urgent emails. Eto, I wanna be updated with my milestones and I'm eager to to see the milestones. Ayan. So, ilalagay ko siya as label as urgent emails, tas apply. Ayan, no? Just an example, guys, no? From there, ang gagawin natin is pupunta tayo sa settings and then see all settings or pwedeng sa baba, no? Scroll down, multiple inboxes customize. Okay, so dito tayo, okay, sa sections na to. Okay, let's do ang ating guys, ang ating formula here ay label colon, tapos open and close bracket, ano yung pangalan nung pinaka label. So, ganyan. Papalitan ko na lang siya ng, ng term to review and, ayan, gentle reminder. Ayan. Gentle reminder. Okay? And then, copy and paste mo lang to. Sectioning. Copy, pack, review, pack, label, pack. After nyan, ayan, maximum page size, 9 conversations per page. Up to you, where do you want it to be positioned? I would position it sa right of the inbox. Okay, and then, there. Ayan, save changes. Pak! May kita mo. Meron ka ng multiple inboxes. So, alam na ni client, dito na siya mag-basic client. Kung ano mo gusto niyang basahin. Urgent emails, pag binuksan niya yan, lalabas lahat ng urgent emails, review, at saka gentle reminders. Sorry, edit natin to. Sorry guys alisin natin yung nest para gumana. Hindi pala kailangan itong nest na to kasi yung formula ay very, very particular. Let's see. Edit. Alisin natin sa nest. Let's refresh. Okay, let me see if that will work. By the way, guys, ang hindi natin nagawa kayo is to filter pala. Yung mga, what do you call this? I-filter natin ang mga ito. So, skip the inbox, also apply filter, apply label. Let's do it under to review. No, gentle reminder pala. Ayan, create filter. Para mapunta siya lahat din doon sa like to review. Ayan gentle reminder, lumabas na siya lahat doon. Ayan, 'di ba? So sa to review si Google Play, ulitin natin. Kasi kanina ni-label lang natin eh. So what you do is just do the same thing pala guys, no? Sorry about that. Skip inbox, apply label, and then let's go for ano to? To review. Ayan, apply all three, create filter. Ayan, next is urgent emails. Ayan, si Rob Wilson. Yung mga ganito, gusto ko siyang nakikita as urgent. I want to read it right away. So, there you go. So, you skip the inbox, urgent emails, also apply filter, create filter, period. So, ayun na po. Automatic na po yan. Ayun, nabawasan na tayo. Nabawasan na tayo. You like it? Oh, di ba? Pangmalakasan. Another tip, guys, kung kunwari you don't wanna get emails anymore from these like emails, kaya vidIQ, I don't wanna get emails from you anymore, click unsubscribe and then just click unsubscribe again. And then you're done and then archive. Ngayon na siya. Then archive the rest. Archive the rest. Tinan mo, nasa 1.4K na ako. Balikan kayo mamaya dito sa multiple emails. Pero mag-sweep lang tayo ng mag-sweep mga me. Keep on doing it. Laban me. Malapit ka na ma-imbad 0T. Let's go. Okay, I think I know now why. Okay, ganito ang nangyayari. Bakit hindi nakakakita yung mga emails dito? So, tama naman yung mga labels. But, let's try with urgent. Kasi dinelete ko iba eh. So, ang tinila ko lang is urgent emails. Ang gagawin ko is pupunta ako dito sa settings, multiple inboxes customize. Aalisin ko tong, ayan, yung open and close na yan, te. Mali. Okay. Kasi doon sa label name naman ay walang ganong nakalagay. So, delete natin. Let us save. Pack. There. Lumabas na ang email dito. Nakakaloka. Saan ba? Ito, NAS.io, for example. To review. Mga email na nasire, for example, gusto ko. E di ilagay natin sa under that filter or label. So, apply to the label. New label, let's say, to review. Ayan. Create. Also apply. Create filter. Nakikita mo guys, lalabas din siya sa to review. You just have to refresh it. Ay, ayan. To review. Pak! Labas siya. Maglagay tayo sa gentle reminder. Okay, let's say we want to hear from YouTube. Ilagay natin siya sa under gentle reminder. Okay. Create filter. So, skip the inbox, mark red. No, not mark red. Choose label. Gawa tayo. Gentle reminder. Okay, create. Also apply to the rest. Create filter. Hintayin mo lang dahil madami yan, day. Madami yan. Okay. Lalabas yan. Maya-maya. Ayan. Sa gentle reminder, it's still loading. Give it time. Okay, ayan na. Nasa gentle reminder na. So, inbox 0. And then, nandito yung mga filter mong urgent emails na pwedeng basahin. Diba? Gentle reminder. To review, at least alam ng client mo kung ano mga kailangan niya dito. Yung mga pag binuksan niya email, bubuksan lang niya, okay, ito yung mga urgent for me. Okay, ito yung mga reminders. Okay, ito yung mga kimpampara. Ganun. Now, hindi ba siya inbox 0? Kasi ito naman dito. Oh, may mga numbers pa. Dapat 0 din yan. So, para ma-wipe out mo yan, go to a specific tab, no? Click mo tong select, and then select all kimpampara conversion, ganyan. Tapos, ilagay mo siya sa mark as red. Okay. Then mamaya, ayan, nag-0 na siya. Do the same. Do the same here. Mark as red. Mali ang ginawa ko, may hindi ako ginawang tama. Ayan. Select all Cambular and then mark as red. Pak. Gawin mo na ng gawin yan, T. Hanggang sa mag-0 yan. Diba? Do the same process hanggang sa mag-0 yan. Okay? Mark all. Select all. Mark as red. Okay. Ganyan lang ng ganyan, mga mi. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, now this, no numbers, organized, is inbox 0 with important emails highlighted for clients for multiple inbox. That's it for today. Hope you guys learn a lot from this. Sorry sa konting confusion ha. Hopefully nakaka-catch up kayo no sa dulo, lalo na dito sa part na to, no? Reminder lang na ang ginawa natin dito is kung anong pangalan ng label, yun din dapat ang pangalan nung sa multiple inboxes. No? At kung makikita nyo, mga mi, is hindi ko na siya ginroup kasi hindi na siya label pag naka-group. Pag naka-group, it's a sub-label. So, iniwanan ko lang siya as is. Alright? That's it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Good luck, everyone. Enjoy!